At Revitalyze MD, or RMD for short, we provide comprehensive IV therapy. In my mind, there's two ways of doing IV therapy. There's a kit. It's going to have ingredients and they're going to purchase it from someone. And then there's a second school of thought, which is a 4-hour infusion where you're treating very comprehensive, complex patients, and you're going to stay at the office and it's a medical doctor, but you'll stay there for hours getting your IV infusion. If you walked into most places, they wouldn't be able to give you the science behind what you're getting through your IV, but we can do that here. What makes Revitalyze MD different is that everything that we incorporate into this practice takes months or years of learning about it. I learned from doctors that have IV therapy and they're doing complex drips over 4 hours for very complex patients. And we don't have always a sick population, but we have patients that want to feel better and they want IV nutrient therapy. And so I took those complex drips and I formulated drips that can go over an hour so that patients can get the freshest ingredients. We're putting them together in-house and we know exactly what formulations to do specific to that patient's needs. And so I took a good solid year just to learn IV therapy alone. And with that, I got more passionate about it because everything we use in the IV, nutrient, vitamin, mineral, antioxidants, is supporting a phase 1 and phase 2 of liver detoxification. And our body is overloaded with toxins from everyday living, the car, the cell phone, the lights in the house, all of that. And so there's so much we don't even realize that we're exposed to. And when we get IV therapy, it helps our body get rid of the burden of the toxins and helps metabolize and support the detox system so that our cells can function optimally. You're not going to get IV therapy like you're going to get at Revitalyze MD. You're getting individual ingredients that we put together in a drip that day. So if you want to have formulations specific for you, then you need to come to Revitalyze MD to get your IV nutrient therapy.